Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down right away. Then choose System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!